You're gonna clean your chicken, cut your chicken, put your chicken in a bowl. Sesame seed oil, soy sauce, and of course the seasoning of your choice. Clean your hands nice and good. Marinate that chicken. You're gonna cut you up some onions nice and small. You got your skillet, some oil, and then you're gonna need 2 eggs. Take your marinated chicken, put that thing in that pot, let that thing sizzle nice and cooked. Put that thing back in a bowl. You got your onions. You got your mixed vegetables. A little bit of butter for your eggs, You got your rice and you got your chicken. But last but not least, add your little bit of soy sauce for color. And there you go. You got chicken fried rice, ladies and gentlemen. So good.